Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you are new on this channel, you are just watching my video for the first time, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. In that way you will be notified anytime I upload any new video. I've come today to make a lightening body butter. This body butter is going to lighten your skin. It's going to give you 2 or 3 shades if you are using this body butter consistently. And you also need to scrub your skin 3 times a week. All right, scrub your body. It's very good when you scrub your body and apply a cream. It makes the cream to work fast and very quick, and then it's going to give your skin uneven tone. All right, this body butter is requested from one of my subscribers. The one she watched on my channel was made with oil soluble powder, so she was wondering if she could use water soluble powder to make body butter. So I decided to come here and make this. This method is very easy. There are different methods you can make your butter if you are using water soluble powder, and in some cases as well you can use water soluble powder and oil soluble powder. It depends on which powder you're going to use. All right, so there are different methods you can use to make your body butter. So let's just jump into this video and show you guys the method which I achieve this very beautiful body butter. It's all natural and it's 100%. Here I have my mango butter, which is 15 grams. I'll be adding my mango butter here. Here I'm adding my cocoa butter, which is 35 grams. I'm making olive in 1000. This is how it looks. And I'm adding 5%. I'm going to be adding my cetyl alcohol. It's an emulsifier. This is going to help my butter to emulsify. It's not gonna, this at the end of the day, this butter is not going to separate. No matter the temperature, the butter is going to remain solidified. Here is my oil face. All right, here is my oil face. I'll just put this aside. Here is my water face, 30%. Here is my alpha arbutin, 2%. I'll be adding a bit of water. This is distilled water, okay? You don't use more than 2%. If you're making 100 grams, okay, make sure you know the percentage of your powders, the pH, and the percentage rates. It's very good, so you don't go wrong. That's too noisy. Alpha arbutin doesn't take time to dissolve, especially when you have water and then you add the powder gradually. Why it's taking me a long time to dissolve now is because I added water into the powder, and then as you can see, the powder is already, it clumps up. Otherwise you may not even need to double boil your alpha arbutin. I'm just going to keep this aside I'll be dissolving my giga white powder here. So I'm just going to add some water here. And then the powder goes in. The powder is always, you don't expect giga white powder to be transparent after dissolving because it comes in milkish color. Once it dissolves, it becomes in a milkish color. So don't get confused when you see it in a milky color and it's not in a transparent like. Here I'll be dissolving my glutathione powder, which is 5%. Glutathione powder is one of the active natural powder which a lot of people use when they are formulating their cosmetics because it's good. And I think the pH of glutathione is between 3.5 and 6.8, so which is very good. You can incorporate it in your cream, you can incorporate it in your lotion, your body oil and stuff like that, and it's a very good whiten powder. I'm going to keep this aside and then I'll check if my oil has been dissolved. It's dissolved, it's all melted, it's warm now. It's about, let's say, 35 degrees centigrade. Here is my alpha arbutin. Remember my water phase is 30% and I share it into 3. I use one to mix my alpha arbutin and then I use one to mix my glutathione. Here's my glutathione powder, well dissolved, and here is my giga white, well dissolved. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this together. This is my giga white powder. I'm adding it here. Everything is going into my butter. And here is my alpha arbutin. All right. Now I'm going to give this a good stir. In this formulation, I don't want this, if this oil is too hot, it's going to kill the potency of my powder because I'm doing butter. All right, so here I'm just going to add this to this. You see what I mean? I'll give it a good stir. Now I'm going to use my blender. It's going to take some time feel the potency. As you can see, did you see that? This is what I'm talking about. Can you just imagine? You see? This is part of what I liked. My powders are potent, they're not going to die. I can also do it another way, like double boiling the water and the oil together and then adding my actives later, but this is a different way entirely. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Yeah, hi guys, I'm back. Here is what it looks like. All right, I'll be adding my extracts. I'll be adding my raspberry seed extract, which is also 1%. These are good extracts that can fade dark spots and brighten the skin. Here is my cloudberry extract. It's very, very good. That's about 2%. And then I'll be adding my lavender essential oil. I'm adding 1%. That's about 10 drops. I'll be adding my sandalwood extract. %. I'll be adding my sea buckthorn oil. That's about 2%. And here is my vitamin E oil. I'm adding 1%. Now I'm going to be adding my preservative, my German Plus preservative. I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 1 gram. This can be used twice a day. You can also use it if you're going to bed. If you use this consistently, you will start seeing changes, because you know it's a natural lightening cream, so it's not gonna like brighten you within a week or 3 days. This is going to lighten you up gradually. All right, see you again. Bye.